Hi everyone, welcome back. Okay, let's quickly see the benefits of cloud computing. And I thought of using a scale so that the pictures, right, are mine. That is how it works. We see the pictures, videos, and it is easy to remember. Now, the traditional way, the cloud way, and we have few extra benefits over here. That's why the scale is giving count on here. So this is scalable that we have already seen. If you want to increase the VM, we can increase. Pay if you want to decrease the VM, it's just a few clicks, and then we will also see the auto scale feature within AWS that even without touching, without adding or removing any configuration, it's just one time configuration we need to do. And if there are more users coming to your website, then it will auto scale up. If there are less traffic, then it will auto scale down, and then you want to do anything manual, right? It's more secure because of course the cloud giant providers, right, they are managing, they are making sure your application, your services, your resources are secure, and you pay what you use. And I think this is the biggest advantage using cloud native services, because maybe today I need one service, tomorrow I need 1,000 service. I'll just pay whatever I need, and with the scaling, it is easy to manage our billing, etc. That is also possible. Now, the drawback of using traditional approach was today I have to purchase everything for my web application, whether I need it or not. I just need to maybe imagine few stuff, and on basis of that, maybe I'll buy some resources. Maybe it's less or more, and I will have to live with it. So that is one thing. And then there is something called ops cost, which is operational cost, capex. These expenditure, right, are more on in traditional way, because right now I do not know and I need to spend more money on it. So for example, operational expenditure would be I need to pay rent of the workstation where I have put my web servers. I need to pay to the people who are 24/7 supporting my web servers, looking after them, the server is up or not, making sure the maintenance charges, the cable is not cut by a rat or an insect. I need to make sure the cooling is there in my web server, the server room, etc. So that operational expenditure, and that the capex, I need to purchase all the items in one go, so that I will have a performative website, right? So those are the disadvantages of traditional approach, because it's not pay as you go. It's just I need to buy right now everything, and then I need to manage it. I need to do everything for my servers. Okay, so these are the benefits of cloud computing over traditional approach. Thank you so much for watching.